Hi everyone, I'm Atamil. Next I'll show you how to install a Smart PBR tool in Unity 6000.3. First, create a new Unity project. After creating the project, click on the Windows menu and open the Package Manager. Next, open a downloaded file. After unzipping the package, you will get a folder. Please click on the first folder. In the outermost layer of the folder, find the written first file and click to open it directly. Then copy the URL inside. And return to the Unity screen. Click the plus sign in the upper left. Select Add Package from Git URL. Paste the URL you just copied, and press Enter directly. Here you can see the file state of the tool content to be installed. Follow the instructions to install. Next, we will install our tool. Click the plus sign again. This time select Add Package from Disk. Go back to the outermost folder. Let's copy the file path. Select the package JSON file. Open it to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, the tool will appear in the top menu. Click on Smart PBR Engine, and you can open it directly. That's how to install the tool. Thanks for watching.